Hey bee fans, so I've been mowing the lawn and as you can see there's a mower mowing the lawn, and then behind me I'll show you, and right there's a swarm. Let me turn this around for you. I don't know if you can make it out. There's a swarm in the Mayflower. So with a bit of luck I'll either move into that one but we'll have to see. Hey bee fans, just Gardener's Beehive guy again, just with a quick story. So this is the story. Up there, whoops, up there is a swarm, and I tend to think they were coming to move into that hive over there. So I'm not going to chance it. I'm going to just move them closer. So the first thing I think I'm going to do is I'm going to move that hive from there over here. Then I'll take the roof off, then I'll take that and I'll pop it in, and then I'll put the roof on, and then leave it overnight, and then tomorrow morning move it back over there. So we'll see how we get on. Okay, so as you can see, I've moved there's the swarm there, there's the nest, there's the roof on the ground. I'm going to prune it a bit and then pop them in. I just need to modify the roof slightly and then we're in business. Right, there we are. All of a few minutes and they seem to be in. I'll leave them there for a bit and yeah, I reckon they're all right. Alright there, hi there bee fans. Just a quick update. This is about 10 minutes later. So you'll see the occasional bee still coming back through the air from where they've been scouting other possible locations. They come back, they smell the pheromones in the air, and then they go down and they go in, and yeah, they don't even seem to be fanning anymore. They are a little bit, but let's have a closer look and see. Yeah, there's one or two there fanning. There's one or two fanning, but yeah, they seem to be just about in. I'll keep you updated. Thanks. So that's pretty cool. Share and like and all those funky social media things. I'll keep you posted.